Yak, girl, ang baho ng hininga mo, tapos ayaw mo pa magpa-toothbrush. Kaya wala kang boyfriend eh. Baho talaga. Okay, ayaw niya talaga magpa-toothbrush, guys. Buti na lang kakarating nitong freeze-dried cat dental sticks from Pets Up. Excited na ako i-try ni Yuna girl ko kasi medyo nag-yellow na nga yung teeth niya dito. Which is bad because it could cause dental health problems like gum disease, gum inflammation, and other health issues. Gusto mo? O di lagot ka sa vet mo. Anyways, parang 3-in-1 na to. Number 1, it is a dental stick. This variant is enriched with key polyphenols that helps reduces the formation of tartar and plaque. Number 2, it also serves as a treat. Guys, tignan nyo naman yung ingredients. Chimken! Gustong-gusto nila yan. High in meat and high in protein, walang carbs. Number 3, there's an additional health benefit depending on which flavor you choose. 6 yung hawak ko ngayon. So, itong tea polyphenols, ito yung pinakita ko kanina. It's for fresh breath. Cat grass for hairball removal. Ay, perfecto kay Yuki. Probiotics and prebiotics for digestion. Multivitamins and carrots for immunity boost. Egg yolk and fish oil for hair beauty. Cranberry for urinary care. O, diba? Healthy pa. Pero, ito ang tanong. Gusto ba ni Yuna tank? Wait, kunin ko siya. Ito lang sa kanya yung fresh breath. Ang baho kasi talaga ng hininga. Wait lang, wait lang. Guys, grabe ganda ng packaging yung hinila ko lang. Tapos, resealable siya. Oh, amayin mo. Harap ka sa camera. Hoy, kinain niya! Yan. Para mabango na hininga mo. Please lang. Dinadog show ko ata pusa ko. Grabe, kinain na. Uy, wait, ilan ba pwede nito? Ang alam ko kasi 5 sticks per day. So, ayan. Pwede mo siyang ibigay na ganito na parang treats lang. Ala, sarap na sarap. Or pwede mo siyang i-crush tapos gawing food topper. Ah, diba? Gusto ko rin i-try ni Yuki yung hairball. Grabe, ang liit ni Yuki siya na mga dito. And this is my fiancé, by the way. Ayan, thank you, Meowdy. Look. Up. Standing cat. Gusto niya. Nag-stand siya eh. Uy, hindi to ililik. Kakagatin mo, be. Very good naman. Kaya yan, maliit kasi ngipin niya. Fresh breath ang Yuki boy at yun na girl. This is Meowmily approved! Buti na lang dumating to sa buhay ko. Kasi kung hindi, mag-World War 3 na kami ni Yuna. Check out na kayo by clicking the link!